Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to COAC 1301 Introduction to Computing. For summer 1 2020, I may be teaching one or two sections, the SV5 and SV6. Okay, depending on which section that student enroll, I may be the instructor. Okay, the course run from June 1st through July 1st, 2020. Okay, the meeting time is online. Okay. The course description. COSC 1301 is an introduction to computing. The course is basically an overview of computer system hardware, operating system, the internet, application software including word processing, spreadsheet, presentation graphics, and databases. Current topics such as the effect of computers on society and the history and use of computers in business, educational, and other interdisciplinary settings are also studied. This course is not intended to count toward a student's major field of study in business or computer science. There is no prerequisite of this class. If students major in business administration, they may have to enroll to BCIS 1305. The course is similar to this one too. Okay, my name is Robert Ho and my email is shusinchu@southtexascollege.edu. However, for the purpose of class organization, I would prefer students to send me email through Blackboard. So let me show you how you send me the emails. All right. Okay. I have two sections here is SV5 and SV6, but again, this schedule may change. I made this recording on May 26, Tuesday evening about 10 p.m. So the schedule may change. All right, so I'm going to click this one SV6. All right, and then on the left hand panel, student will find BB messages. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to create messages. I will send email to every one of you and then move it to the right. I'm going to ask student to send me a contact info. Okay, so here please send me your contact info in case an instructor wants to speak to students. Okay, also update your info in the JACnet system. All right, this is very important because this is how we communicate with students. All right, JACnet system. And then I'm going to say thank you. I'm going to click submit. Okay, so I just send email to student. When you click this inbox, just click reply. Okay, student will see this and then click reply. All right, so this is my main email address, as Husin Chu. Okay, my office is in building 149 M149 Pecan Campus, McAllen, and my phone number is 872-2194. As of today, my office hour will be Monday and Thursday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. In this course, we have 4 learning outcomes, course learning outcome. The first one is to describe the fundamental of computing infrastructure components such as hardware, application software, operating system, and data communication. The second learning outcome is to delineate and discuss societal issues related to computing, including the guiding principles of professional and ethical behavior. The third one demonstrates the ability to create and use documents, spreadsheet, presentations, databases in order to communicate and store information as well as to support problem solving. And the fourth one, which is the last one, is to describe the need and ways to maintain security in a computing environment. In any college courses, student will see this CLO, course learning outcome. All right, so please pay attention to this part of the syllabus. Okay, the course requirements. Assignment, okay, assignment consists of Office 2016 labs, okay. Throughout the semester, I will give you handout, okay, which is located in here, right? Okay, I don't have it right now in here, so maybe I have it in week 5, right? Let me see. So, throughout the semester, I will have something here. You see this? Week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on until week 5, right? Because we are going to have a final exam in week number 5. Okay. All right. So, Office 2016 Labs, which consists of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access database, that worth 30% of your grade. And then we have skill tests, PowerPoint, Access, Excel, and Word, which is 20% of your grade. Research assignment is 10%. Research assignment student will learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation and a research paper. 4 to 5 double space of research paper. Student can do the assignment individually or in a group of 2 students. The topic should be technology or computer related. For example, computer hacking, technology in nursing, compare and contrast MRI, X-ray, and CAT scan. All right. I will explain a little bit more in detail later on throughout the semester in Blackboard. All right. So today I'm just going to give you a high level overview about the course. Okay. We have 2 exams, midterm, which is 15% of your grade, and a final exam, which is 15% of your grade. Okay. So 2 exams worth 30% of your grade. Discussion or chapter review. Okay. This is throughout the semester, I'm going to put some discussion board and assignment related to the computer concept. Okay, they're 10% of your grade. Yeah. Let me see. I think I'm going to change this one. Right. Let me change this one. Okay. Let me pause this one. Okay, I just make some changes. Assignment, which is Office 2016 Lab, is 25% of the grade, and discussion board, chapter review, or quizzes is 15% of the grade. All right. So again, 25. We have 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 plus 10 is 55, and the rest 45. So the total is 100%. Therefore, if student asks me, what is my grade so far? Well, each time that the student complete assignment, I just put the grade next to it. All right. That's how the grading system works, right? Be sure that you show this to your parents if you're still a high school student, so they know how the grading system works in the college setting. Okay. All right, the next one. Monitor your progress, right? Student can monitor their progress in my grade links. If you log into Blackboard on the left hand side, you see my grades there. Student can monitor their grade. All right. So these are some of major assignment textbooks. We are going to use open educational resources. That means student will not have a books. I will provide you. I will show you the link here. This is called GFC Global. Student will use this link for resources. So this semester we decided uh, for student not to purchase the textbook. Instead, we are going to use free resources, open educational resources. So here is the link. All right. I'm going to click this. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, here we go. This is the educational resources. Okay. Well, all right. But now I cannot see. So these are the textbooks. Okay. gfcglobal.org. Okay. Attendance and classroom policy. Be sure student read this information carefully. Okay. Academic dishonesty. This is very important. Make sure that the student do not share their work or copy their work from others, especially for the exam. Work on your own because that will benefit to you in the long run. All right. Academic dishonesty or student code handbook. Please click this link so student can read this. Okay. Student code of conduct and student handbook are located in these links. Okay. Where is it? Okay. So here are the schedules. Okay. In this schedule, we are going to learn computer concepts and Office 2016. All right. So let me see. GFC Global. GFC Global. Right. Technology. Okay. So the first week we are going to use computer basic and computer skills, right? Okay. Computer basic, computer computer basic in week 1, computer skills and window basic. Let me see. Okay, this is referred to here. Okay, computer basic here, computer basic and basic computer skills. Okay, that's what it means by that. Okay. Computer basic and computer skills and window basic. Where can you get window basic? Here. Computer basic, basic computer skills, and window basic is in here. Here we go, window basic. Okay. And then that's week number 1 and week number 2. Then we're gonna have Mac OS and Internet Basic. Here, Mac OS and Internet Basic, which is, I scroll it down here. Internet Basic. Where is that? Internet Basic. Here we go. Internet Basics. Okay. And then we have Internet Safety. All right. Internet Safety. Internet Safety is this one, or online safety. Okay. So these are the plan uh, for the summers. Okay. Mm. This is as far as the computer concept, but we also going to learn PowerPoint in week 1. Week 2 is Word. Week 3 is Excel and Access database in week 4, and the last one we're gonna do a research paper project. Normally we cover this class in 16 weeks, and now we're only going to cover 4 weeks. So I would suggest that student spend a lot of time. Okay, make sure that students spend time on average like 6 to 8 hours per week, depending on your background, right? On their background. I don't know, some of you are good already in computers, some of you may need spend more time. Okay, let's say that you learn Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and Saturday. Is better rather than you just spend Saturday for 7 hours. That's not gonna be effective. So be sure student learn every other day like 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, rather than spend 1 week 7 or 8 hours to complete the assignment. That will not be effective. All right. So here is the schedule, right? So in the first week, we are going to cover computer basic, PowerPoint, and there will be no exam. In week 2, we are going to have computer skill. We are going to discuss about computer skill, window basic, Word, Office. This is the lab. This is the hands-on portion. This is computer theory concept, and this is the exam. And in week 2, we are going to have a PowerPoint skill test. All right. I would student follow this schedule. Okay. Make sure that student print and review the syllabus carefully. Okay, because I will follow the syllabus throughout the semester. Again, if you are still in high school, please show the syllabus to your parents so they know what uh, they expect for their children to take college courses. What else here I want to discuss? Where can you find this syllabus? Okay, the rest of the syllabus they have about institutional policy, notice of discrimination. Make sure that you read that. Okay, they are about 7 pages. I'm gonna create a link in here. Okay, like from start here, I'm going to have a link. Okay, here, right? I have a link. I'm going to provide a syllabus here. You see this? I'm going to put a syllabus in here. Also, I'm gonna provide a link about video orientation in this one. All right. So let me create right now, right? I'm going to create like a web link here. Orientation uh, for the class, right? The link I haven't uploaded, so I'm gonna upload it later. Okay. I don't have a link yet, so I'm just gonna give it to you like this. All right. So this is a link that student will do. So that is the first thing that student need to do. I have orientation video on YouTube, right? So student need to click this link. Okay. Okay. So here is my information, and here is the link, video orientation. Let me put it. Video orientation for the class. Please click the link above for video orientation. Okay, there we go. Also, class, please introduce yourself. Okay, at the beginning of the semester, I like students to introduce themselves. Okay, so here let me see if I can pull this out, discussion board, right? self-introduction. Okay, I like students to do an introduction to the class. Likeness. Please briefly introduce yourself to the class, right? For example, introduce yourself to the class, okay, such as your full name, major, college major if any, college major, or your intended major, or your in intended major, okay. What I like to do during my spare times and etc. All right, there we go. Also, please post a picture of yourself by uploading upload it in this thread, so I know who you are. Since this is an online class, I only know the name and I don't know who you are. All right, so I'm gonna click submit. There we go. So here is video orientation and here is self introduction. All right, I hope that this video tutorial is informative to you, and if you have any question, please email me through Blackboard located on the left hand panel. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.